Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. And this is the Mi's newest air purifier series, the 2S, and we are going to unbox it. This is some paperwork. I must say this is a very nice looking air purifier, and let's see a look around. This is the back side of this air purifier. This is the side profile. And this is the front. So one thing I noticed about this air purifier is I didn't get any wires. Maybe it's inside here. There it is. So this is the filter replacement guide. Okay. This is the wires. And this is the filter. This is a very decent looking wire. Good quality, I must say. Not short in size. So this air purifier uses a technique called laser detection of pollution, and it's going to be a precise one. Here's the power button of this air purifier, and let's turn this on for the very first time. Here is the fan. This air purifier has a lot of features like temperature, humidity, and real-time pollution monitor. तो इस डिस्प्ले के काफ़ी फीचर्स हैं, जैसे कि ये टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, वाईफाई स्टेटस और मोड्स, जैसे कि ऑटो, नाइट, मैनुअल, ये सारे इंडिकेटर्स शो करता है. और जो ग्रीन बार नीचे दिखाई गई है वो है हमारी एयर क्वालिटी इंडिकेटर, विच इज़ ग्रीन राइट नाउ. एंड 0 to 8 is the level of pollution in this room. And also this air purifier can connect to an app. Phone app. Redmi MI Home. Let's set up the app. Purifier device. We need to sign in first. Add a device. So it's turn on Bluetooth. Air purifier. So हमारी MI होम ऐप सेटअप हो चुकी है. Device name MI Purifier 2S. This is the bedroom. Use now. So there's a lot of features with this MI home app. You can switch it on to night mode, auto mode, manual mode. This is the filter life, this is the temperature, humidity levels in this room, and this is the pollution indicator, which is showing 31 right now and 27 on the filter. We can see a lag between the two. From this app we can turn off the purifier as well. Turn on as well. So thank you for watching, guys. This is the video about MI's latest series air purifier, the 2S. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press your notifications bell for more.